Good evening. This is from easyelectronyx, and now we'll present this Arduino Mega. Is a breakout board in which this will solve the problem if ever you have problems with the size of Arduino Mega. I had this problem when I want to create a wearable, and then this wearable project can only be accomplished by Arduino Mega because the length of program, the global variables, as well as the said when I build this wearable project, the said project requires at least 3 hardware serial ports. So Arduino Uno, Pro Mini, Arduino Nano, the usage of Arduino chip is not the Atmel 328P chip is not available. It cannot be used because they only have one what's so called hardware serial port. You can create one software serial, but if you need at least 3 serial ports, it's impossible to do the project. So my solution is to use this Mega breakout board. It's very small. Actually, wala pa siyang pin headers, but you can just attach pin headers easily, and then pwede mo lang ilagay kung ano yung mga kailangan mo, and it's technically Arduino Mega in smaller version. So paano siya pinoprogram? I had some problem with that, but this tutorial will tell us kung paano yung mga steps na gagawin. Okay. So now this tutorial is only for 5 volts version nitong Mega 2560 Pro Mini. So meron siyang 3.3 volts version, but I don't use that because yung totoong Arduino Mega is basically 5 volts. Yan siya. So meron siyang 3.3 version. Yun nga lang, for that type, certain type, ang kailangan natin is yung mismong CH340G na adapter, in which wala ako nun. So meron akong Arduino Uno. So ang gagawin mo lang, you have 2 steps, no? Basically, 2 steps lang. Ang first step is, usually nakakabit yan siya, no, yung chip dyan. So, nung nakakabit pa siya, ang first step is basically, yung bootloading. Okay? Bootloader. So, basically, kailangan mong i-bootload. Dito yung steps. Nasa arduino.cc lang naman siya. So, bootloading, simple lang yung steps. Gagamit ka ng ISCP. That's why kinabitan ko siya ng ISCP dito. Basically, ISCP is SPI. Just nasa ibang place lang siya para mas madaling i-wire. And then, after mo siya i-bootload, since wala ako ng adapter nito, para ma-program ko siya as Arduino Mega, binootload ko yung chip, Mega 2560, as Arduino Mega talaga. Okay, so basically, after bootloading, isa na talaga siyang ganap na Arduino Mega. Now, kung paano siya i-program, so, di ba kanina, nung binootload natin, we use SPI communication. Pero sa pag-upload ng code or pag-program sa kanya, kailangan tanggalin yung IC dito. Basically, mag-wire tayo, parang kunwari, itong IC na to, dito yan siya. Parang ganun ba? Parang substitute siya dito. That's why tinanggal ko to siya. So, basically, pag kinabit ko siyang ganyan, this is Arduino Mega na siya. Yung nga lang, after programming, hindi ko na kailangan to. Tatanggalin ko na yan. Tapos gagamitin ko na kung ano yung mga pins dito. Isosolder ko na siya and create the final project. So this type of breakout board is especially good kapag gusto mong gumawa ng final project na maliit. Tapos kailangan mong gumamit ng Arduino Mega. Kasi ang totoong size ng Arduino Mega ganito. Okay. So pag gumawa ka ng wearable na ganito kakapal, okay, ganito kalaki. So, basically, hindi na siya wearable. Masakit na siya. Pero ito, pwede talaga siyang gawing wearable kasi maliit lang talaga siya. And, it's technically Arduino Mega. So, paano siya i-program? It's very simple. Okay. Pag nakakabit na siyang ganyan, using serial communication, nasaksak ko lang siya. Actually, hindi siya serial communication. Directly serial lang talaga siya. Okay. Nasaksak mo lang siya. And then, open the Arduino IDE. So, para maipaliwanag talaga na isa talaga ito siyang Arduino Mega, nilagyan ko ng serial1.begin. Sa Arduino Uno, let's say, lagay ko sa tools, no? Lagay ko yung board, tapos gagawin ko Arduino Uno. Pag i-verify mo, tapos may serial 1, mag-error yan siya. Kasi walang serial 1 sa Uno. Serial 1 was not declared in this scope. Merong serial 1 up to serial 3 kapag ang board mo is Arduino Mega, in which is yung board na ginagamit natin ngayon is technically isang Arduino Mega. Nakita niya, mag-done compiling siya. So, actually, blink code lang ito siya. Dinagdagan ko lang ng serial 1.begin to prove na isa siyang Arduino Mega. So, ang gagawin ko is, papalitan ko to. Gagawin ko siyang mag-blink every, let's say, 2 seconds. Okay. Blink every 2 seconds. Then, okay, kung nakikita nyo dito, ang board niya is Arduino Mega 2560. Ang processor niya is Arduino Mega 2560. Ang port niya is Arduino Uno. Yun kasi ang treatment sa kanya ng computer ko, yung port is Arduino Uno, but technically ang chip niya is Arduino Mega, but you can program it as an Arduino Mega. So i-upload ko lang siya. Again, 2 steps, no? First step is bootload the chip. Pag meron na tayong nabili na natin itong Arduino Mega breakout board, i-bootload muna natin yung IC niya. Bootloading is quite, kung gawin natin siyang layman's term, is to tell the module na isa kang Arduino Mega. Parang ganun ba? Second is programming. So, again, bootloading is SPI, programming is serial. So, technically I'm wrong, hindi siya serial, but basically you are using RxTX, so kunwari serial. So, upload, compiling sketch. So, uploading and then done uploading. So, makita mo, yung blue yung kanyang ano. So, every 2 seconds mag-blink yung blue na LED. So, kung meron kang project na from Arduino Mega, tapos gusto mong gawing maliit, gusto mong gawing wearable, pero no other way than to use Arduino Mega, this is the only, para sa akin, ito yung pinaka the best option. And it is very easy to integrate to PCB kasi may butas na siya sa lahat ng pins. So, gagawa ka lang din design sa PCB na gumagamit niyang pins, then gagamit ka ng male headers for that. So, this is available at this easyelectronyx. Kasama na rin sa payment or kasama na rin sa item is yung tutorial kung paano siya i-program using Arduino Uno. Without Arduino Uno, meron ding ibang way like to use CH340G serial adapter, but still, kailangan mo pa rin siyang i-bootload. So, I think kung meron kang spare Arduino Uno, hindi mo naman siya gagamitin kasi in reality, kapag naggawa ka na ng project, tapos mo lang i-program, diba, tatanggalin mo naman yun, you can power this up. Meron naman siyang VIN dito. So, pwede mo lang siyang i-power using external power supply. So, again, this is mainly used kapag application na. Kapag testing pa lang, you can use Arduino Mega, yung totoo talaga. So, para sa totoong application, like gusto mo na gumawa ng isang maliit, kasi pwede talaga siyang gawing wearable. As you can see, gaano siya kalaki as compared to my hand. So, pwede mo lang siyang i-wear dito sa kamay ko. Okay. So, thank you for watching.